Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you my One UI 8.5 liquid glass setup. So let's begin. Okay, first look at this home screen. Remove all widgets. Now first I will set glass icons, then simply go to good lock and go to the park. After go to theme park, simply tap on icons, tap on create new, tap on effect, tap on glass. Now set glass effect like this. Now simply save these icons and apply. Now look at these glassy icons apply on my Galaxy device. Now let me show you widgets. Then simply go to Glassy widgets. Guys, these apps download link available on description. Now add all one by one Glassy widgets. Look at these all widgets categories. Simply add on home screen. If you hold on widget, then you also customize with glass effect. Now look at this my home screen. Now lock screen. Let me show you how to set transparency glass clock on lock screen. Simply hold and edit lock screen. Tap on clock. Now tap on style and go to more style. Simply tap on my clock. Tap on create new. Now select this clock font and set big size like this. Now go to color, tap on color and set transparency like this. Set transparency at least 50%. Now tap on save and set this clock like this. Tap on done. Now glass setup is complete. Look at this lock screen, home screen, icons, control center. Look at this, I set up glass control center on my One UI 8.5. If you want to set up this control center, then full tutorial video link on description. Simply watch this video and set up your One UI 8.5 control center like this. So guys, you also set this glass setup on your any Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.